making $50,000 in 15 minutes. It's very dangerous because it sets unrealistic expectations. The people who have patience and actually know how to play the long game in trading are the ones who are going to be patience players. It's very crucial that if we're looking at learning a real skill, to not fall for lifestyle marketing. Right guys, welcome back to the KBFx channel. Today we're doing another sofa session with Kyle, and in this one we're going to be exposing the lies of the Forex market. So I've just got a couple notes in front of me, nothing too specific, just the three main points that people lie about. So let's say we go on YouTube, we search on YouTube how to make money in the Forex market. The main things that are going to come up aren't going to be genuine, helpful education, unfortunately. The main things that are going to be appearing on the front of the YouTube page when you search these terms will be things along the lines of making $50,000 in 15 minutes, how to make $500 a day, how to make $600,000 a month trading Forex. These are what's going to show up when you YouTube or Google how to make money in the Forex market. And the reason why I believe that it's important for me to bring it to light, because it's very dangerous, because it sets unrealistic expectations. So if you come into the foreign exchange market and trading and you've been introduced to it with the idea that trading is making $500 in 5 minutes, it will making a $500 every single day, that is where you are going to become, unfortunately, liquidity in the market, which means you are going to be the people who are going to be paying out the people like me. The people who have patience and actually know how to play the long game in trading are the ones who are going to be patience players, are the ones who are going to be sweeping up the liquidity. And so it's important that if you have been introduced to it by these things, or you have this expectation in your head, and we all are prone to it because we're seeing people online saying they're making so much a day, so much a month, and then we're going, but my strategy has been slow this month, so I need to give up my strategy that I've been studying for the past 3 years, that's it working, that's been making consistent profit year on year, and just because it's had one slow month, give up my strategy that works and go listen to some guy sat on a throne smoking a cigar telling me how he's making 600k a day buying Lamborghini after Lamborghini. That is dangerous for real professional traders who actually want to get into the space for the long game, who actually want to get into trading with the ability to become their own boss, with the ability to actually go full time in it. It's going to be very dangerous for those people if they're seeing everyone making turning $100 into 1.2 million in 6 hours. You know what I mean? Things like these are going to be very dangerous for real traders who, not even just people who are getting into the space who don't understand anything about the market. They're going to get sucked in by this. Obviously, they're going to get drawn into the guy saying you can make 100k in 5 minutes, whereas the real trading will say, like, the real traders who are actually making money out of it can't make these promises. So it's hard for you to listen to the people who actually want to tell you the truth, because we're so easily drawn in by the outlandish claims of making 100k in 6 hours. And of course, when I didn't know about trading, I was drawn in by these things, and why wouldn't you be? Because it is a very outlandish claim, and if I don't know anything about trading, I'm going to think, oh my, oh my gosh, this guy has the secrets to the foreign exchange algorithm in his pocket. He's the guy who coded it. I need to listen to that guy. I need to watch his 9-hour long videos, and they've got seasons, man. There's got like 27 seasons, and there's 12 episodes each, and each episode's 9 hours of a guy rambling over the charts, and he's like, look man, you should listen to me, I've got the secret algorithm. You could listen to that fella, and you could pay him for his extensive courses, and the guy with the Lamborghinis, the Rolls Royces, the throne and the cigars. These people, if you want to give them, if you think these people genuinely know how to trade and you want to give them your money, that is fine. But unfortunately, you will, and heed the warning, because these people are incredibly disingenuous. And once you learn what real trading is, you can see it from a mile away, because these outlandish claims are just impossible. No real professional trader, no hedge fund. So think about it like hedge funds. Hedge funds are like the top of fund managers, right? Hedge funds average about 30% a year, plus fees. So you're making around 20% annual percentage yield on some of the top hedge funds. So if you think that these traders are turning $1 into 1.2 million in 30 minutes, and making, I don't know, 1.2 million % APY in not even APY, they're making 1.6 million % in 30 minutes, 6 hours, whatever. It's just so unreal. It's just not true. It's not possible. And if you get in with these expectations, it will lead you astray. It will lead you down the wrong ways. And look, the reason why I'm going a bit off track, but let's see. Yeah, so it's very crucial that if we're looking at learning a real skill of making money online, to not fall for lifestyle marketing, because lifestyle marketing is what's reeling you in. These people with the outlandish claims, and they sell the dream, they sell the lifestyle, they sell you in. You don't have to do any work, you don't have to do anything, just give me your money and all your dreams are solved. And these claims, obviously it draws people in, and I was sold on signal services, I've been sold on bullshit crypto services and cryptocurrencies that were just rug pulls, and there are disingenuous people in the space, and there are a lot of lawyers in the space. So it's just important to be very aware that in the space, not everyone in the foreign exchange trading YouTube space is a truthful person who has the best intentions when they make these videos. So that's why I feel like it's important for me to address it, because I am unfortunately associated now with these people doing foreign exchange trading videos. I don't want to be associated with these lifestyle marketers who don't know how to trade but know very well how to market and lie and manipulate. I'd, unfortunately, having Forex in my name, have a slight association with these people, and I just want it very clearly established that I don't want to sell you on any dream. I don't want to tell you that you don't have to put in any work to do well in trading. I don't want to tell you that just buy my trading bot and that'll do all the work for you. Just follow my signals and that will do all the work for you. You don't have to do anything. I'll do everything for you. A part of me wishes I could do that, but I know for a fact that there's a reason why God has made it, that so that you have to work towards the things that are worthwhile, and it's to test the ones who really want it, to see how much they want it. And if they do really want it, then they'll see through the trials and they'll make it. And yeah, it's just one of those that don't become manipulated by these lifestyle marketers, these flashy clickbait YouTubers, and just don't. It's the way you could spot one of these scammers, I'd say, is look out for unrealistic expectations, lifestyle marketing, the success of their students, and then I would say also their journey. So can you follow their journey? That would help, because it is hard to know who to trust in this space. It's hard to know who to listen to, and I definitely understand that, because it's good to be diligent and it's good to be careful in this space, 100%, because so many people are out to get you, and it's a very dangerous space. So the best way you can protect yourself, I would say, is to just take everything with a pinch of salt, and just be diligent of, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So you need to just dig in deep, and with trading, get to know what it is, get to know how it works. For example, real professional trading works on a very large sample size. It works on collecting a large sample size of data, and that data showing that you have a probabilistic statistical edge in the market that works in your favour consistently year on year on year, and therefore that's your edge in the market, and that's why you go and live trade, because you know you have this probabilistic statistical edge that's slightly tilted in your favour, where if you go and trade it in the live market, you can actually go and end the year in some profit percentage. Whereas obviously your average retail trader does not go into the market with any statistical edges in their favour. They go in with the intention of making 50k in 5 minutes. They bet all their account on one trade. They don't know why they've got in. They've just clicked buy or sell based on whatever they felt like doing in that moment. And usually, whatever that does ends up deciding if they'll lose all their money or make a bit of money, and probably end up losing it all anyway, because if you make instant money, you're going to be splurging it very quickly. So yeah, these are the main points I wanted to discuss. It's very unfortunate that there are people out there who try and use the trading terminologies to trick people and manipulate people. So it's just important that we stay diligent and we find actual people we can actually trust and listen to in the space. Be diligent, do your own research, and don't expect to get rich quick, and don't expect to put no work in and get effort out, because the way the world works is you have to give out in order to get back, and that's just the equation of the world. How it works is you can't receive something unless you've put some energy towards something. You can't obtain better physique without going to the gym and eating better. You can't learn more things without going out of your way to study, read, and listen to audio books on the topic or lectures on the topic. And there's no such thing as something for nothing. But there is, like, I know, for example, like manifesting could be seen as looking at receiving something for nothing, but it's not really like that, because you have to still give intention and energy towards that thing in order for it to become more definite. So yeah, I just think it was important that because unfortunately I do have a bit of a connection to the topic and these people, that I should address it and speak on it. And yeah, be careful of signals, bots, and if you are interested in getting into it, I would say your best bet is to learn and study it for yourself, because signals, you can take someone's signals, but if you don't know why they're getting in or getting out, how they manage their risk, you don't know what you're doing, and you're probably going to lose your account. It's the most likely scenario. So actually learn how to trade And then once you've learned a profitable strategy and you've tested it out and it works for you, then feel free to go out, take a funded challenge and see if your profitable strategy works out in the live market. Sweet. That's everything I wanted to address today. Peace out.